Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple scented candle and I hope you enjoy this video. So the things that you will need for this to make the candle is a heating jug, a spoon, you will need a block of dye, a centerpiece to hold your candle in place, you will need a candle container or jar, some lovely scented oils, and obviously the important thing is some wax, a wick, little center stickers, they hold the wick in place when you're pouring in the wax, and you'll need a little thermometer. Also you'll need, what I do is I use a hot boiling pot of water on my cooker. So let's start and get the process started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my wax, and I have like a 4-ounce candle container, and what you need about 3.5 ounces of wax for your 4-ounce candle. So literally this is what I do, rather measuring it all out. I am just going to pour it into my little container that I'm going to use for my candle, and as you can see I put about one full one, and then I probably put about another half in. As you can see, and I pour that into the metal melting jug, as you can see. The next stage is I'm going to put this inside my pot of boiling water, let the jug sit on top and stir it to break down everything. This really doesn't take that long to do, which is great. For this part you will need your thermometer. And we're just letting this wax melt here. You need to let your wax melt to about 185 Fahrenheit. So just bear with me, I'm just letting this all melt in this pot. You can use any type of scents for this, but today I'm going to use a lovely lavender and I'm going to use a lovely peppermint just to show you for today. The best place to get all your items from that I find is Amazon. Amazon is fantastic, absolutely fantastic for all the candle making. The best thing to start off with would be a candle making kit, because you get absolutely everything and then you can sort of like just build everything up from there. And by the way, your house smells absolutely amazing when you do this. It's absolutely beautiful. So my wax is just melting in this little pot here. Bear with me. So my wax is starting to melt, so I'm just going to put this thermometer in here and see what the temperature is, and hopefully it'll be at 185. You need this temperature to be at. Once it's at 185 and your wax is melted, then we can add the block of dye for your candle in, which we're going to do very, very shortly. This is also very therapeutic as well. Okay, so my wax is ready, it's melted, and now I am going to add in, all you need is half of one of these wee blocks of dye that all come in your wee candle making kit. And I'm just going to let all of that melt down, and you have to stir it in really well. As you can hear, I'm just beating the pot here. Once your dye has all dissolved, then you can add the oil into it. Which I'm going to show you that process in a minute. So I went for the orange colour dye, so my candle's going to be a nice orange colour. these little jars. They're so, so pretty. You can get these off Amazon, eBay, and you can reuse them. They're beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Here, we're still getting away in the kitchen here. Nearly done. Okay, so my wax is completely melted. So now what I'm going to do is maybe about 2 spoonfuls of oil. You can use as much as you want. If you want a really strong candle, then you can use more. You can also make a non-scented candle. It doesn't have to be scented. So we're going to stir this for a while. Don't stir too long in the boiling water because it can take the scent out of it. So just enough to make sure everything is melted and all evenly stirred in. So guys, my wax is now completely melted. I'm just going to give it another wee stir. Okay, so while that is sitting and cooling, all we need to do now is get your little candle container, and you get these wee things to hold it in place. They'll have a wee sticky back at the end. Let's see, oh, this one's not going to be working, is it? Oh, there we go. So, we stick this in the center of your candle holder, and then we place your wick and we set it right in the middle there. Also, you need your centerpiece, and you stick that on there and it'll hold it in place. Just get it nice and straight as you can. And basically all we need to do now is pour our scented candle into the container. There we go. So, and we will let that sit for about half an hour. Maybe about half an hour, and you can cut your wick then down to size, and that is a simple candle. Nice scented candle. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first one, so hopefully the next one will be better. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.